What are these?
Those are the new drag wheels, Kai.
Holy meat.
Office. The reason I stopped is we had a radar at 94 on 287 back there. I see your driver's license, please.
Not an ideal situation.
Got a call from the passenger in Sally. Hey, we're gonna need you to bring Fred's phone, Brooks's phone, and his insurance card.
We were only going 94 though, so there's that situation.
Hang on to that. So,
okay.
Real quick, guys, I'm willing to cut your break here. I had in radar at 94 in a 65. So what's the deal with the vehicle? One of the issues is being in Colorado, I can't read your plate with the. I'm assuming that's a parachute back there that's covering the plate. So that's an issue in the state of Colorado, right? You have to be able to read the plate. When I pulled around on you guys, I could tell you were slowing down. You probably saw me. I'm assuming you're not going into Berthoud.
That's where we're going.
Okay.
That's where we came from.
So
we're just going right back this way.
So what's going on with the car? Are you test driving it or
yeah.
what?
Yeah, so we've got Rocky Mountain Raceweek that starts tomorrow.
Okay.
We gotta be in what?
We got to be in Great Bend, Kansas.
Yeah. Okay.
So we're just making. I don't know what happened. Like a charge pipe blew off or something. So we're trying to figure out what's going on.
Here's the deal. I figured it was something like that. Looking at the vehicle, looking at the modifications. Okay. So with that said, you guys know you shouldn't be driving that fast.
Yeah.
I'm happy to cut your break. Let me go look at.
I can take the parachute off now.
Yeah, like
That's
right
No,
now.
no, I'm not going to worry about it right now. As you said, you're going back.
Yeah, it's right down the road.
Yeah, I'm not going to worry about it right now. It's not something I would normally write a ticket for. But here, so one of the issues when I am coming up behind you and trying to catch up with you is going through my mind. You're going north on 287, which makes me think most people, if they would have gone to Bertha, they would have taken County Road 8. And so when you come up here and you start going south, I'm thinking, okay, now they're just trying to get away from me.
You can't outrun a radio.
Well, we get a lot of pursuits.
I don't care how fast the car is. You can't outrun the radio.
We get in a lot of pursuits. So I'm thinking pursuit. I can't see the plate. That's one of the issues with when we're pursuing cars and you can't see the plate. You can't identify who's driving.
Well, in all fairness, the brakes on this are not great for street driving, so trying to slow down from 94, that's why I have the parachute.
Yeah.
But
so my brakes are smoking too. Let me. You guys live in town, or do you live?
Yeah, I actually live in Berthoud. That's my old address from Loveland. I live right off of 287 and 56,
Okay.
right back in that little neighborhood.
So seeing as that we've had this conversation, you guys know you shouldn't be driving that fast.
Absolutely.
If you want to, if you want to test it out before race day, fine. But keep it under the speed limit or within a reasonable amount of the speed limit.
Absolutely.
Let me just double check my statutes real quick. And
would it be okay if we pop the hood off? We've got to figure out what happened. We were trying to
And it's hot as hell in here.
Yeah,
if you think there's something wrong with it, that's fine. Just be careful. We're on the side of the road. I don't want you to get hurt. Okay.
Yeah. Thank you. That's an awesome cop. Say, I don't know if it's Deputy, Sergeant, Lieutenant Marks. Probably the nicest cop I've ever met. Well, he was really nice and it was awesome. So we're gonna keep it below the speed limit. So there's that whole fiasco, and then we got to go home and fix a boost pipe because that wasn't fun. Traffic violation warning.
Does say a warning. Oh man. Wall of shame.
Man, we've got so much stuff cleared out of the garage. It's crazy. So we've got the Mustang. It's all loaded up, ready to rock. Shouldn't say loaded up, but cleaned up, ready to go. Raceweek trailer's loaded on the other trailer. Everything packed inside. And then the work rig. We got this pig all loaded down with all the drag racing cart stuff that we're gonna need. Oh yeah. We will be leaving 5 a.m. tomorrow. Pretty excited. We've got everything all packed and ready to go. Carts are right there, trailer there, race car there. Man, we're ready to go. And for anybody who was wondering, I got a warning earlier. They didn't give me a ticket, thankfully, so that was awesome. Well, let's hope that the rest of our race week goes a little bit smoother than today did. All right, guys, drive fast, take chances. We'll see you soon.